Strength training is not just for bodybuilders. It is essential for everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Building muscle is key for physical strength and maintaining a healthy weight. Strength training can be simple and accessible. It significantly enhances your quality of life. Everyday activities become easier with improved muscle strength and endurance. It boosts confidence and mental clarity. It's a transformative journey that begins with a simple decision to try. You don't need fancy equipment to start strength training. There are exercises you can do right at home or in the park. First, consider squats. They strengthen your legs and core. Next, try push-ups. They are great for your upper body. If a standard push-up is too challenging, start with your knees on the ground. Another great exercise is the plank. It targets your core. Lastly, don't overlook lifting weights. Use household items like water bottles. These exercises are simple and effective in building strength. Strength training does wonders for your body. It boosts your metabolism. This means your body burns more calories, even when you are not working out. It's a fantastic way to help manage your weight and increase energy levels. It also improves your mood. Exercise releases endorphins, which are chemicals in your brain that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. Many people notice they feel more positive and energetic on days they exercise. This mental boost is a great incentive to keep going. Moreover, strength training is crucial for preventing injuries. It strengthens not only your muscles, but also your bones and joints. This reinforcement is vital as it makes you less prone to falls and other injuries that can impact your mobility and independence as you age. Additionally, regular strength training can help combat health issues like heart disease and diabetes. It enhances heart health by improving blood circulation and reducing cholesterol levels. For those with diabetes, it can help in managing blood sugar levels more effectively. Section 4. Practical tips for starting your journey. Starting your strength training journey can feel overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. Begin with small, manageable steps. Set realistic goals that you can achieve gradually. This could be as simple as deciding to do 10 minutes of exercise 3 times a week. Stay consistent. It's better to exercise a little every day than to push yourself too hard once in a while. Find a routine that fits into your schedule and stick to it. Consistency is key to seeing results and building lasting habits. Listen to your body. If something hurts, stop and take a break. There's a difference between good pain, like muscle soreness, and bad pain, like sharp or shooting pain. Pay attention to what your body is telling you and adjust accordingly. Finally, keep yourself motivated. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Whether it's holding a plank for a few seconds longer or lifting heavier weights, acknowledge your progress. It's these little wins that add up to big results. Section 5. A call to action. Embark on your fitness path. Now is the time to start. Strength training is a journey of self-discovery and improvement. It's not just about building muscles. It's about building a healthier, happier you. Remember, every great journey begins with a simple step. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. You might be surprised at how capable you are. The benefits of strength training are immense and well within your reach. Embrace the challenge and enjoy the process. As you get stronger, you'll not only see changes in your body, but also in your mindset. Strength training empowers you in more ways than one. Let today be the day you take that first step towards a stronger, healthier you. Let's get stronger together.